Yes, the GST group of ministers on rate rationalization that is headed by Karnataka CM, it held its important meeting today via video conferencing ahead of the GST Council meeting that we know is to be held on 28th and 29th later this month. So now what the sources are telling us that in today's meeting there were certain proposals regarding exemptions that have been finalized which will be discussed in the upcoming GST Council meeting. Now we do know that there are some certain services which have GST exemptions, so the GoM has suggested withdrawal of certain exemptions that will be taken up in this upcoming council meeting. Also, what the sources are telling us that regarding the merger of GST slabs 12% and 18%, the states have not been able to come to any agreement, so there will be no suggestion made by the GoM for this council meeting. Also, on the rate increase on the slab rates, that remember the fitment committee had suggested that since the GST rates are much below the revenue neutral, the GST slab of 5% can be increased to 7%. So what the sources are telling us that there will be no such an abrupt increase suggestion that will be made by the GoM. So that is also out of the question. Now, regarding the extension of GST compensation, we know that it comes to an end in this month itself. So the states are expected to seek extension of the GST compensation for at least a period of 3 years. That will be their demand in the upcoming council meeting. So these are the major takeaways, important ones from today's GoM that was held. So some of the suggestions regarding exemptions will be discussed, but major decisions on rate increase and merger of slabs have not been arrived at.